Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Cash App on iPhone. So just to let you know that I'm not using an iOS device, but the installation process on Android and iOS will remain the same. Only the slight differences will be the interface. So what you have to do is, if you're using an iOS device, you have to open up your App Store. But as per the Android device, you need to use Play Store. Do the same procedure, that is, open it up and on the search box tap on it and type in Cash App. When you tap on the Cash App button, you'll be able to find this option as Get or the upward arrow icon. Just press on it, and as per the Android user, you'll be able to find Install. So wait for the application to be completely installed, or wait for it to completely download, and you've successfully installed or download the Cash App on your iPhone as well as Android device. So by following these steps, you should be able to download and install the Cash App on your iPhone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.